Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by testing redstone continuity using a torch and redstone dust. Place dust in a line and place a torch at one end. Confirm the torch turns off when current flows across up to 15 blocks. If the signal stops, insert a repeater to extend the range. Each repeater extends the signal by 15 blocks and can add 1 to 4 ticks of delay. Keep wires on the same vertical plane to prevent accidental cross-conduction. Understand component roles to maintain reliable continuity in builds. Repeaters extend range and provide 1 to 4 tick delays for precise timing adjustments. Observers detect block state changes and emit a 1-tick redstone pulse to propagate continuity. Comparators read container signal strengths and allow signal preservation between 0 and 15 for smooth transitions. Pistons and dispensers respond reliably if powered with stable continuous signals instead of brief flickers. Design circuits with margin for 1-tick discrepancies to avoid race conditions. When signals fail, debug systematically using a lever, redstone lamp, and observer. Toggle the lever and follow which lamp lights to locate discontinuities within runs under 15 blocks. If necessary, insert a repeater every 15 blocks to restore full strength and prevent dropouts. Avoid crossing wires on the same block level. Separate lines using slabs, half slabs, or vertical offsets to prevent unintended connections. For complex machines, document delays and ticks, and keep a consistent orientation for repeaters and comparators.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.